I have 3 different places, all within 2 feet of each other, where I store my eyeshadow palettes. And when I'm missing one, I feel violently ill. And then I like end up pulling everything out and looking at it like maybe I'm just missing it. And then I pull everything out and it's still not there. I have a makeup thief in my mist. Okay, so a few of you guys requested a full face of Makeup Revolution makeup. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'm going to be using a mix of these, some by Revolution Pro, which is Makeup Revolution, but a different like line. And we're just gonna see what kind of eye look we come up with. As per usual, I will kind of forward my way through it so as not to bore you to death. And without further ado, here we go. Alright, so my shadow, for the most part, is done. I still have a few other things to do. Why am I holding my phone up to do my... I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution. Everything is Makeup Revolution. I don't have to tell you the brand of everything when I say. This is the, I think it's like the Flick eyeliner. My first impression of this was in a few videos back, and it was not good. Well, I found a way to make it work, and I'm obsessed with it now. So, I am horrible at liquid liner. So, I don't even attempt a wing because I have hooded lids, so every time I open my eyes, that wing would just disappear. So what's the point of killing myself trying to get it perfect? But I do like to look like it's lined. So what I actually do with this is I don't swipe it across, I keep it on its side and I just stamp it along my lash line. So this way, it doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be like even, like as long as I stamp it kind of the same thickness on each side, it has the effect that I want, so. But I did actually stamp a little bit of my top lid, but that's okay because I'm just going to ignore it. So now we're gonna go in with foundation, and the only foundation I have from Makeup Revolution as of now is the, what the hell is this? Fast Base Stick Foundation. I have it in the color F6. I feel like this is the wrong color for me. It's like too yellow, but it's all I have right now, so that's just what we're gonna use. I actually think this is a really nice foundation. If you have like oily skin, you might not love it because it is like very dewy and hydrating. So just keep that in mind if you were wanting to try it. Okay, we're gonna go with concealer. I'm gonna use the Conceal and Define, and I'm gonna use the color C4. This, it has a little bit more of like a peachy undertone in it, but what else? Now we're gonna do contouring, and we're gonna use the Conceal and Define again in the colors C12 and I'm gonna go in with their kind of loose setting powder right here. All right, I am gonna actually cheat a little bit because I want a little bit more bronziness going on. So I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced bronzer because I think I have. I need more Makeup Revolution bronzers. Now we're gonna go in and finish under the eyes, and I'm going to go in with, I think we're gonna go in with this green right here under my eyes. All right, and now we're gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna take this kind of ice lime green right here and use that for my inner corner and kind of push that out under my lower line as well. Doesn't look as green as I was hoping it did, but still pretty. So there was just a tiny handful of things that I didn't have from them, like eyeliner, mascara, and I think that's it. So now let's go on to blush, and I have a few things to choose from, but I think I'm going to go into the Goddess blush palette right here, and I think I'm going to go in with a mix of these two end colors right here. Alright, we're gonna do lip color. I have no fucking clue. These are the two I think I want to try. I have Intuition and Sixth Sense, and these are the Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigments. So we're gonna go in with Intuition, which is like a deep, deep plum color. It's like a black cherry color, so pretty. I'm not gonna lie, as gorgeous as these colors are, they're kind of a pain in the ass and a little messy to put on, but if you're patient, it'll work out. All right, last but not least, we have highlighters. The Pro HD Amplified Get Baked palette. These are like blushes and highlighters. And I think I'm gonna go in with, this color right here. Let's amp that up a little bit. I'm gonna go in and top it with this marbled one right here. There we go. So that was it. What do you guys think of the finished look? Do you have any Makeup Revolution products that you loved? Make sure you let me know what they are down below, and if I haven't tried them, maybe I'll check them out. And please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell because I have a huge end of the year giveaway coming up. So if you want to hear more details about that, then make sure you stay tuned. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.